Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first episode of Movement's loan product unboxing series. I'm your host, Adam Constantine. Let's make sure we understand exactly what this is. If you look on YouTube, there is a huge trend unboxing products. Now, these can be new products, these can be toys, whatever it may be, a lot of people will get on there and break down what's so great about them. We're gonna do the same thing with loan products. Do we have real boxes? Yes. Do the actual loans come in real boxes? No. But I thought this was a dope way of showing and breaking down what's in various loan products. Without further ado, let's bring out the first box. Ooh, oh, we really did the thing with these boxes, huh? Okay, I like this. We're looking at FHA. Look at this craftsmanship right here. We even got our 671 process on here, which is what makes Movement so great, by the way. In fact, check out this video if you want. Where are we putting it here? Okay, we'll figure out where we're putting it. But yeah, like check this video out. It's a minute long. It'll tell you exactly how this process works. But I digress. FHA. We know the box looks great, but look, just like any gift at Christmas, I'm trying to see what's inside. So when we're opening anything, let's make sure that we're very careful with our sharp objects. If we look at this, in order to even get in this box, this FHA loan, I'm having to cut this thing, mortgage insurance. Video alert, pop that video right there. Check out what PMI is. In order to even get an FHA loan, I'm required to have mortgage insurance. So we already have to break that seal before we get in the box. All right, boom. Okay, that's nice for a little sharp. Just be safe with sharp objects. In the words of the famous Brad Pitt, what's in the box? Ooh, I don't know if we're ready. Okay, all right, I'm done. Ooh, okay, there's some good stuff in here. I like this. Can we see that? And we're gonna break it down, but there's a lot of good features that we see in here. The FHA is the Federal Housing Administration, and this is a government loan. Why did the government get into the loan business? Well, in the Great Depression, people were foreclosing and defaulting on their loans left and right. Super bad time, money was crazy tight. So the government started insuring these loans, which in turn gave mortgage lenders the confidence they needed in order to lend money out, which in turn boosted the housing market. And it's still around today, some 80, almost 90 years later. Let's check and see what's inside. First thing we want to look at, pow, right here, pow, 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 pow. All right, the video editor's gonna kill me. This is 620, all right? This is the minimum credit score that you need in order to secure an FHA loan from Movement. However, we do have, LO40. This is obviously a play on WD-40. You get it? You get it. I know you do. LO40. This means that when you have, okay, sorry, did not expect, okay, can we redo that? Basically, if you don't quite have a 620 credit score, maybe an LO can help you out. They're gonna look at some other factors, but bottom line, talk to a Movement loan officer. They might be able to do something for you, all right? Boom, boom. Next product. We know that we hear 20% is required for a down payment. That is a flat out myth. One of the reasons why I'll show you, 3.5. That's all you need for an FHA loan. 3.5 down as your down payment. Also, this looks like I have racks on racks on racks. There's a subtitle down here what that means. It's fake money, okay? But 3.5 as a minimum down payment, that is huge, especially for a first-time home buyer. Let's see what's in this box here. Okay, it's a scale of some kind. Gonna put this together real quick. Look, should we have done this beforehand? I mean, maybe. Hey. Shout out Sinbad. Handcrafted in India. Done. Why is the scale here? Well, you have to have a steady history of employment due to a requirement of front-end ratio. We have a mortgage minute on that, so you can find out exactly what that is. 31% and 43%. The total income that you bring in needs to make sure that our front end, where you fit in with the front end ratio and the back end ratio that is needed. So 31%, 43%, needs to be even. You see the scale thing here? You get it. Other things you need to have. Well, one, you need to be of legal age. You need to have a social security number. And you need to be a lawful US resident. You also, look at this, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite things in the box. You need to have, at least 2 years of bankruptcy free. Man, our parody game is on 100. You need to be at least 2 years bankruptcy free. A quick note about the 31 and 43%, higher ratios actually can be allowed if you're approved through the FHA process. That's just something to know. And there are also gift funds available. Don't know what gift funds are? Guess what? Another mortgage minute. And guys, look, I know it's annoying to click away from another video to watch another video about something else, but at least the host there is just as handsome as this one. We have 620, our LO40, 3.5% minimum down payment, 31% front end ratio, 43% back end ratio, 2 years bankruptcy free card. Bonus tip, the seller, lender, or home builder is allowed to pay some of the closing costs, so it's a good thing to remember when you're at the negotiating table. Is this a loan product for you? If you still have some questions, call one of our movement loan officers, send them a message. Or if you're like, yes, I am ready to move on, head to our website, check out the Easy app, and see if you're pre-approved. Well, that's all for us here at Movement Crate. All the things that we mentioned are gonna be down in the description below, and we will be back with more information. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.